The directions say use 2 or 3 unit fractions to convert. We have 9 gallons and we need to convert this into cups. Unit fractions are the tool that we're going to be using in order to do these conversions. I'm going to start off by writing down what I have. What I have is 9 gallons. I am going to take this and multiply it by a fraction. The fraction is a unit fraction, and the reason they call it a unit fraction is because it's equivalent to 1. So what we need to do is go to our unit of measurement chart and scroll through and see if we can find some correlation between gallons and cups. And if we take a look right here, we have gallons to quarts and quarts to pints and pints to cups. So we can get from gallons to cups. It's just going to take us a little while. So this is the information we're going to be using. Because I have gallons, I'm going to start off using this fact right here, that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. There are a couple of unit fractions we can make with this information. We can put 1 gallon over 4 quarts. As you know, anything over itself equals 1. And so because 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, this is equal to 1 whole. There's another unit fraction I can create with this, and I can put 4 quarts over 1 gallon. Again, anything over itself equals 1. Since 4 quarts is equal to 1 gallon, this is also equal to 1. The question is which one of these unit fractions we're going to use. Because we are given 9 gallons, and that's what we have, and that's over 1, and we want our gallons to cancel, we want that unit to cancel, we need to make sure that whatever fraction we use, we have gallons on the bottom. And so this is the unit fraction we're going to use. Gallons are going to be on the bottom, so that'll cancel with our gallons on the top here. So this is the unit fraction that we're going to use. When we do that, you'll notice the gallons do cancel, and we're left with quarts. But that's not what we want. What we want is cups. So we need to go back to our conversion chart and see if we can go from quarts to cups. Well, we can't go from quarts to cups, but we can go from quarts to pints. And so that's the next fact we're going to use. Again, there are 2 unit fractions you can make using this fact. You can make a fraction of 1 quart over 2 pints, and that is equal to 1. And you can create 2 pints over 1 quart, and that is also equal to 1. We need to determine which one of these unit fractions we're going to be using. Again, we have quarts on the top. We need it to cancel, so we need to use the unit fraction that has quarts on the bottom. And so that's the unit fraction we're going to use. 2 pints over 1 quart. So the quarts cancel, and we're left with pints. But again, pints is not where we want to be. We want to be in cup, which means we are going to multiply by another unit fraction. I'm going to look back on this conversion chart and see if I can get from pints to cups. And sure enough, I have 1 pint equals 2 cups. I can create 2 unit fractions from this fact. 1 pint over 2 cups, and that is equal to 1. I can also create a second unit fraction, 2 cups over 1 pint, and that is also equal to 1. So which one of these are we going to use? Because we need pints to cancel and pints are on the top, we're going to use this second unit fraction because pints are on the bottom, and that will cancel. 2 cups over 1 pint. Pints cancel, and we're in cups, and that's where we want to be. So I don't have to multiply by any more unit fractions. At this point, all I need to do is do the multiplication, multiply straight across. I have 9 times 4 times 2 times 2, which is 144. over 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. So that's just 144. And our units are cups. 9 gallons is equal to 144 cups.